So I'm doing a small project and we have just a handful of plants in the backyard. So instead of doing the whole irrigation system, we're just going to use that hose bib right there. We're going to put a battery timer. You see the little cute batteries right there? And we're going to attach that directly to the hose bib, but I'm also going to use a splitter so that way she keeps the hose. And then, so one goes to irrigation, one goes to hose. This turn facing out means both of these are off. Facing in means both of these will turn on. The important thing for the battery powered valve is that this needs to have constant pressure. So this is always going to be turned on. And I will control from my phone when the valve turns on and off. The hose can be turned on and off however she would like based off of here. And then of course you can shut all the power off by using this right here. Pokey thing. Basically put a hole in the pipe. Sharp end goes in the hole. Make sure it's all the way in. Yep. There you go, snapped.